You're gonna hoover? Clever boy. Clever boy. Turn him on then. Here. Here, look. There we go. Go on then. Do Mummy's kitchen. Do it nicely. To the floor. Clever boy. Clever boy. Clever boy. Hoover him up. Clever boy. Mummy's teaching you to hoover. Finley, want Mummy teach you to iron? Want to do Mummy's ironing next? You clever boy! Turn him off. Turn him off. He went off. Really? Can't leave him on all day. What happened? Come on. Look at this bedroom. Who made this mess? Finley. Finley. Who made this mess? You gonna put your toys away? You tired? Wanna come and see Charlie Doggy? Come on then, look, there he is. Finley, look, smile for the camera. Finley. Finley, smile for the camera. Finley.
Postman hat, postman hat. Postman hat with the black and white hat. You're not, oh please, you're not.
We film Nanny singing.
Oh, postman hat, postman hat, postman hat with the black and white hat. Early in the morning, when the day is dawning.
Dance for Nana.
Diddle-um, 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 diddle-um do. You're going to have to teach Nan the words to that silly song, aren't you?
Want to sing another one?
No, go away.
Can you do anything by Hawkwind?
No. Hey, legs up, Lynn, I'm doing a...
I know, I read about that in the paper.
See
Yeah.
the price the tickets are making.
Are they?
I always think a stairway to heaven when I think of it.
Finley, watch your fingers. Hey, Fingers. Watch your fingers. What are you doing? You are home. Hey Finley, sing Postman Pat. Finley, sing Postman Pat. Postman Pat. Don't pull it all the way out.
There's little cows hiding on the other side at the front. I love those little cows. Look,
It's a cow lick.
That's horrible when you think things like that, don't you?
Oh no, but I would have loved him so much.
Is Heidi doing your hair? Finley.
Look at Mummy.
God knows what we're supposed to do. That bit that sticks up at the back.
Finley, turn around.
Be like that.
Yeah.
I seem a bit better now, though.
He wants his hands under that robe, look, with just the clip sticking out.
Looks like Darth Vader.
Yeah.
Or Snape. Tell Heidi you saw your film at last.
Oh yeah, I saw the Harry Potter film.
Yeah, was it good?
Yeah, it was brilliant.
See, I've never sort of got into them.
You knew you didn't go, did you?
No.
Squashed his fingers in the door just
Oh,
before he
slammed
went
his fingers in the door.
Oh, what the...
Hey, miserable. What's the matter? Come on. Finley. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What are you crying for? What are you crying for? What's the matter? Look. Yeah, look. Take him. Take him. Don't want him, eh? Don't want him.
Cheerio, Reverend.
Clever boy. Just put it back where you got it from, Mum. Finley, can Mummy wear your hat? He's tripping all over the place because he can't see.
At Thompson Ground, Dorothy Thompson was out collecting the eggs. I hope you haven't any letters for him, Con, she said.
Oh, thank you.